All right, let's get the day started. Keyword mise en place. Let's make sure we have the things we need. Go ahead and grab the stuff that we can anticipate that we need. That way, we ain't gotta be double backing in, wasting our steps. That's a cool ass gravy spoon. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'll serve all kind of sauce with this. Couple sheet trays and we'll be in the game. See if we can pull this together in 30 minutes, if not shorter. The beautiful thing about having your stuff organized is that you know what you have and what you don't have, what you need and what you don't need, so you can properly prepare and be ready for whatever. Even when stuff get rough, stuff get lost, you never get lost in the sauce. Don't get lost in the sauce. Somebody has to eat that. All right, first thing first, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and season my equipment, making sure that everything is everything. From corner to corner, side to side, make sure everything is nice and sealed. We're gonna put it at a low temperature, just so we can make it sure that it's nice and sealed. I also like to hit my sides just because, you know, you always got dirt and grime that sits in these corners, and nobody wants to eat that in their food. Get all in the nooks, and nobody wants to eat somebody else's meal. Let's wash our hands because ew. Happy birthday to you. I'm talking about having stuff in order. First thing you always grab when you come into the kitchen, garbage pails. Why? Because you got to throw stuff away and you don't want to leave trash and debris just sitting around. I'm trying to talk about where, baby. Right away. All right, cool beans. Let's get back to it. I know some might say this is over preparing, but again, like I said, being ready for whatever, it makes you unbeatable, undefeatable, one of a kind. Big equipment always go on first. Anything that requires mass amount of heat, mass amount of radiant heat, get that joint already going. Excuse me. Get some ice. Sub-Zero. This is my favorite part about going to pick up ice. And for the people who always leave their utensils in the ice, why do you do that? That's your germs. It's been all in your hands. Ain't no telling what you've been doing with your hand, and you gonna leave it all in the ice. Nasty. You nasty. If you notice, I haven't turned my fryers on yet, just to preserve my oil. That's one of the last things that I turn on. Usually I like to grab my proteins first. Main two things that I saw and I noticed that needed to be prepped. I'm already in my head figuring out what's my next move, what I need to grab, how long is it gonna take, is it gonna run over into the time that service begin. The main thing is just making sure that we have what we need to please our guests. Because I don't know why anybody else show up. I'm here to make money and put a smile on somebody's face with my food, with my spirit, and with my energy, you dig? All right, let's get some food working. What a cute little onion.